So this is the LEGO Friends 2026 pet accessory van. So the van also looks like a puppy. There's also a tail, there's also a face and ears, so it's totally nice. And the van roof, we can pull it up and then pull it down. So it's very nice. And we have Nova and Alia in this set. They both have new clothes. And then we also have a dog bone character. And the van's tail, it moves. So it's really nice because when the van goes forward, the tail moves. I think it's totally adorable, isn't it? That's such a wonderful idea. It's really, really cute. And so we have frogs and dogs and those sort of cute animals. We also have a cat, Pluto. And so I love the way that this year they made the frogs into a cute character because before they weren't really cute. So this is the end of the video. I can't wait to see this set. See you next time. Bye bye.